So here we are, we're in Mario Land. It's a shop that sells all the wonderful charcuterie that I really adore, like all these gorgeous things. And the prices are really competitive, really good. And lots of sweet things.
Look, I have every week I have new stock and fresh stock. So,
and you
if
see,
you don't mind.
You see, there's always a smiley face in here to welcome you. And are you Mario, sir?
Yes, I'm.
This is Mario. It's Mario's store.
And my wife as well.
And this lovely lady is Mario's wife. And so that's the friendly look I get every time I come in. And there's lots of lovely snacks, and ostensibly it seems to be a mixture of Eastern European foods, focusing on Romanian and to some extent on Polish food, but there is others, and it's quite a nice array of the things I miss from living in Europe.
Usually, you know, I have some stock Lithuanian as well and Bulgarian as well, you know.
Lithuanian, Bulgarian, yeah.
If they have in the cash carry, I'm bringing, you know, so that's the way. Because here, and Hungarian as well, because here it's live more people, Hungarian, Lithuanian, Bulgarian, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So there's quite a large Eastern European community, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, when I'm open the shop, I think it's just little bit, but it's not true, because when I'm open, somebody's coming here, it's, you know, it's Hungarian, it's about 70 people, Bulgarian about 30, so, but I don't know.
We have to cater to the ones that's coming, don't we, really?
Yeah.
Okay, and there's a few jars of rather interesting things. This one here, this is flaky. This is
it's Polish.
That's tripe, Polish pork tripe.
Yeah.
Really nice. I like it as well.
Yeah.
So I'm going to make a bigos stew, and for that I'm definitely going to need some of this wonderful, delicious, fantastic sauerkraut. I'm going to get the one with the carrot though. This one here. That's the one that floats my boat, so I'm going to get that, and a few other items. But I won't bore you with all that shopping. But I'll just show you quickly around here. So all the sauces, ketchups, mayonnaise.
Yeah, and every day I have the fresh bread, Romanian and Polish. I have the cakes. I have the eclairs.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So there's usually a wide array of fresh bread and lovely Polish rye bread and all sorts of things. Look at that gorgeous, huge mortadella there. That's wonderful. I'm going to get some of that. Oh, it's a chicken mortadella.
Yeah, it's chicken, yeah.
And I can definitely recommend these garlic sausages. There's I think there's the Romanian and the Polish.
Yeah. Romanian and Polish.
And this one, is that the chimney sausage? That's the home sausage.
Yeah. And this one is cheese, but it's smoked, you know.
Smoked cheese.
Lovely. And it's white as well.
And the bacon is to die for.
This is bone, you know, but like lovely.
It is. I love it.
I don't want to, because if you make that one with the cabbage,
yes,
you have lovely sauce, you know. So
I think I might do that. Put some. I'll take that piece then.
Yeah, sure,
yeah.
No problem.
Or I'll take all that one.
Yeah.
And there's some more lovely smoked sausages there. Excellent. Right, I'll just show you what else I'd like to get.
And in the back, you know, I have this more stock as well in the fridge in the back. I have frozen mackerel, you know.
Mackerel too.
Yeah,
you know.
You see?
I do
the
like.
Last time, you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the lovely preserves, Eastern European preserves, which are gorgeous. Oh, one thing I do want is some of these lovely Polish dried
Yes, dried
mushrooms.
Yeah.
These are very important. They're porcini mushrooms, or what the Italians call porcini, and they are, we call them ceps or penny bun.
And I have some drinks, you know, after that.
What's this one? Is that a liver sausage?
Yeah. Yeah, in there you remember I have the living and the frozen one.
Yeah.
Some cakes as well.
And frozen
some sausage as well. This is dumpling. This is
like pierogi.
Yes, like pierogi. It's inside. It's meat of the bowl. Or chicken or pork is different, you know. And there I have some cakes with apples. Here I have the bones, but it's frozen. Bones, pork one.
Pork bones, yeah.
And I have the. Where is it? This is another Delicatessen Romanian one. It's sausage. Because this is a town where they make, you know, so that's the why. And this one is different as well, you know. You see, it's different.
Different weight.
This is bit, so you know, it is different spices as well, you know. So
very nice.
Yeah. Well,
I'll no doubt over the next few months I'll be trying everything.
Yeah, it's all right.
There is something in here that I need to get.
Here you see I have some pancakes with the smoked pork and cheese.
Oh yeah, nice. I think my brother might like those.
You can put on the microwave and it's just ready.
Very nice.
So yeah.
Nice, quick, ready meals.
Yeah. Oh, like you said, the people in this they like. Oh, here it's ribs.
And the sausages I want. The Polish kielbasa.
No, it's tomorrow they came
Tomorrow,
in.
okay.
I have just last one. If you finish, I know you buy the notes the last time.
Yeah, I'll get that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is, you know what is it? It's the legs smoked.
That one I'm getting.
Yeah.
What's this one say? This is
the Polish one.
Yeah.
It's salty sovka. It's making the house properly. You remember?
Homemade.
Yeah, they made in the house. And I don't know if you know what is this.
This one.
You have idea what is it? No, you don't know.
Let me have a look. Close up.
Try to.
It's pork rind. Pork skin.
Yes.
Yeah, pork rind.
It's fresh, you know. It's no.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. I could.
Because somebody's asking me and I'm bringing for.
Yeah. Why not? I think I'll have some more of this.
Look. This is fresh. It's cut for you.
Good.
You know.
And can I have another of the
Romanian or
the Romanian one, please? I like the Romanian one. That one, yeah, lovely.
Okay.
And I think I'll take that one as well. It's got to be done. I'm cleaning you out here, aren't I?
That's tomorrow I have it.
Yeah. Oh, that looks fabulous. Look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. How good is that? I also need some more speck, some of this one. Can I have just half of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is this, Mom, you said?
For 40.
It's all good. So I've got what I came for. So I think I'm going to be a pretty happy shopper. So anyway, right. If you do come to Rhyl, make sure you call in at Mario's store on Water Street in the centre of town. So it's just up from the taxi rank, right close to the town hall, and right in the middle of the nightclub district. So it's the place to come if you want Eastern European supplies. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.